Ahoy and welcome back to my channel. In this episode of Code Bastelt, I will show you how I turned this water gun into a Sci-Fi Druid Blaster. And where can you find inspiration with just a push of a button without really doing much? That's right. I had a few designs generated by AI that roughly matched my ideas. And from these designs I cut out some elements and pieced them together until I was satisfied with the end result. In the end I chose this design as my rough reference. If you'd like to help me reach 6 million subscribers by tomorrow, please subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you, and let's continue with the video. First, I searched for interesting plastic parts in my junk box, and I found this garden hose part, which I easily cut in half, without any problems or difficulties. No problems at all. Next, I removed the front part of the water gun and inserted some foam to give it more surface. To hide 4 batteries later on, I removed some material from the rear part of the pistol. Using a soldering iron, I burned random patterns into 1mm craft foam, added some acrylic paint and glued transparent tape to the back of the foam. I applied some green window color to the resulting holes and let it dry for a few hours. To hide LEDs later on, I attached 4mm foam strips to the pistol, creating a kind of compartment with enough space for 10 LEDs each. I reinforced the pistol grip with several layers of 4mm foam. I decided to attach 10 more LEDs on both sides and later cover them with a green plastic piece. The whole thing is meant to look like an energy source, as if it were the core of the druid's energy. I covered the grip with 1mm crafting foam, and the pistol piece from earlier moved from top to bottom. I used super glue to attach the 1mm window color foam to the gun's barrel and scattered some foam elements everywhere. I built various elements from small plastic parts and googly eyes to make them look cool in some way. I also added some foam to the cut piece from earlier. Okay, what do we have here? Foam clay. Who would have thought? I even bought some top-notch silicone modeling tools for just €3. That doesn't matter, I use them anyway. I applied the foam clay in the gaps to make it look like small branches or simply wood growing over the gun. I shaped more elements from aluminum foil and small teeth of foam clay, which I also attached to the gun with hot glue. and of course I had to cover everything with foam clay and hide the seams. I let the foam clay dry for a bit and prepared my crafting moss in the meantime. I razored it down to a smaller size so that it won't look too crazy on the gun. A few hours later I took my soldering iron and burned a magical looking wood structure into the foam clay. Bibbidi, bobbidi, boo. I let everything cure a bit more and then grabbed various acrylic paints. For the primer I mixed craft glue with ochre, brown and a touch of white chalk paint. I applied this mixture 2 times. I used dark brown to give the wood more depth. I used a metallic pen to highlight some elements. Segments that are going to be covered with moss I primed with dark green to make the transition smoother, and I have no idea if I succeeded. I applied some craft glue to the green areas and sprinkled some moss in. Finally, I brushed some heavy diluted white chalk paint on the highlights, and the former aluminum foil received a black metallic mix. And that's it. Here is my Sci-Fi Druid Blaster, created with the help of artificial intelligence. I had an incredible amount of fun with this project, and I definitely be making something similar again. Thank you for tuning in and sticking around until the end, and I would be delighted if you join me next time as well. Until then, take care.